Hey everyone, Jeffrey Kirk here. Today we're going to dive into a topic that might sound a bit technical, but it's not. And it is super important for anyone who owns or manages a website. I'm talking about keyword stuffing. You might have heard about it, but do you really know what it means and why it's considered a big no-no in the world of search engine optimization? Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's quickly break down what keyword stuffing actually means. So, what is keyword stuffing? Keyword stuffing is the practice of excessively using keywords or phrases in web page content, meta tags, and other elements with the intention of manipulating a site's rank in the search results. It's when someone tries to manipulate search engines by overloading the content with keywords or phrases they want to rank for. These keywords are repeated over and over again, making the content sound unnatural, and frankly, it gets pretty annoying to read. Here's an example. Imagine you're searching for best pizza in town, and you find a website that says something like this. Are you looking for the best pizza in town? Our pizza restaurant offers the best pizza in town at affordable prices. Come get the best pizza in town today. Oh, that's painful, isn't it? Keyword stuffing not only makes your content unappealing to your audience, but it also raises a red flag for search engines like Google. Now you might be thinking, but why would anyone do that? Great question. The answer lies in SEO, or search engine optimization. You see, search engines like Google use complex algorithms to determine which websites are the most relevant and useful for a particular search query. One of the factors they consider is the presence of keywords on a web page. So, some early online marketers thought, hey, if I stuff my page with keywords, Google will think it's super relevant and bump it up to the top of the search results. Sounds like a genius plan, right? Wrong, not anymore. Used to work great, which is why the legend continues. But keyword stuffing, while it might have worked back in the Wild West days of the internet, search engines have gotten a lot smarter since then. The rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning has transformed how search engines interpret and rank content. Google in particular has become really good at understanding the intent behind user queries, moving away from a strict reliance on keywords alone. These days, they can easily spot keyword stuffed content, and instead of rewarding it, they'll actually penalize it. That means your website could end up getting buried deep down in the search results or even be removed altogether. That wouldn't be good. Here are a few reasons why keyword stuffing is no longer effective. Number one, user experience matters. Search engines now prioritize websites that offer valuable, user-friendly experiences. Keyword stuffed content often feels unnatural and spammy, driving users away rather than engaging them. Number two, algorithm updates. Google regularly updates its algorithms to penalize tactics like keyword stuffing. And with these updates, the focus is on delivering high-quality, relevant content to users, not content that is stuffed with keywords. Number three, semantic search. Search engines now understand the context and the semantics of queries, allowing them to deliver more accurate results. And this means that content creators can focus on creating comprehensive, relevant content rather than obsessing over specific keywords. But it's not just about search engines. Think about your visitors, the real humans who stumble upon your website looking for answers, entertainment, or whatever it is you have to offer. When they encounter content that's been stuffed with keywords, it's like listening to someone who keeps repeating the same words over and over and over again. It's annoying, and it certainly doesn't make them want to stick around for more. So, what's the solution? As keyword stuffing became outdated, it became more and more important to adapt your SEO strategy to align with current best practices. So here are some tips to help you stay ahead of the curve. Number one, focus on user intent. Instead of thinking about specific keywords, concentrate on understanding the intent behind user searches. Create content that answers their questions, solves their problems, and provides value. Number 2, use natural language. Write content in a natural, conversational tone. Incorporate keywords organically where they fit naturally within the context of your content. Third, diversify your content. Beyond the text content, diversify your strategy to include images, videos, infographics, and more. This not only enhances user engagement, but it also provides additional opportunities for optimization. Number 4, optimize for featured snippets and voice search. With the rise of voice search and featured snippets, focus on optimizing your content to appear in these prominent positions. Use structured data markup to provide search engines with more valuable content. And number 5, monitor and adapt to stay current. Keep an eye on industry trends and algorithm updates. Continuously monitor your website's performance and adapt your SEO strategy accordingly. Keyword stuffing is like trying to cheat your way to the top of the search results, but it almost always backfires. Instead of playing tricks, focus on providing real value to your audience through well-written, engaging content. After all, that's what we're all looking for, isn't it? You can sprinkle in some relevant keywords here and there, but do it naturally, like you're having a friendly chat with someone. Search engines value quality content that provides value to users, not content stuffed with keywords just to rank higher. And remember, you should always write for humans, not for search engines. Focus on creating high quality, valuable content that actually helps your visitors in some way. It's about striking the right balance between optimization and user experience. Trust me, your visitors and the search engines will thank you for doing that. If you're not sure about getting good keywords into your content in a natural way, you might want to do some research to better understand what your audience is searching for. Feel free to check out my entire playlist focusing on keyword research. Look for the link below for easy access. And there you have it. Say no to keyword stuffing and yes to quality SEO practices. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Your business deserves to be seen online, and I will help you get there. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.